Hey everyone, welcome back to 5 Minute English Talk. I'm Stacy, and I hope you're having a wonderful day.
And I'm Bruce. Always a pleasure to be here with you. Stacy, great to have you. How's your day going?
I'm good. Feeling easy, feeling calm, and honestly, today's topic matches that mood perfectly.
Oh, yes, we're talking about something small but extremely powerful in English: pausing. How you pause, why you pause, and how pausing can completely change the way you sound.
A lot of learners think being fluent means speaking fast, but that's not true at all. Fluency isn't speed. Fluency is clarity. It's confidence. It's control.
Exactly. And native speakers pause all the time to think, to breathe, to sound natural, or to make their words stronger.
And here's the interesting part. Pausing doesn't make you sound unsure. It actually makes you sound calmer and more confident.
And it gives you time to think, time to choose the right word, time to relax while speaking.
Now, sometimes instead of a silent pause, native speakers use little filler phrases, natural ones. Things like, let me think, or even, well, or actually. These are soft, friendly ways to pause without rushing.
Let's show you the difference. Here's a sentence with no pause at all. I think I want to go to the mall later because I need to buy something. Total chaos. Now here it is with natural pauses. I think I want to go to the mall later because I need to buy something. Much better, right? Clear, relaxed, human. Let's try a little example conversation so you can hear how pauses fit naturally.
All right, ask me something.
Okay, Stacy, what's one thing you want to learn this year?
Well, I think I want to learn photography. It's something I've always liked.
See, that sounded thoughtful, not uncertain. Small pauses make your English feel real.
All right, listeners, your turn. Practice with us. Say this slowly, confidently, with a natural pause. Let me think. I'm not sure. Well, maybe later.
Nice. Those pauses already make you sound more natural.
And here's your speaking challenge for today. Take one sentence you use often and add a pause to it. Something like, I'm not sure, but I can check. Or, let me think, maybe tomorrow. And try using it with a real person, or even with yourself. Pausing is a tiny change, but it makes a huge difference.
Remember, every time you practice, even for a minute, you're getting better than you were yesterday. Don't worry about being perfect. Natural English comes from small, consistent steps.
Before we wrap up, just a quick reminder. We have 2 more shows under the 5-Minute Media family. 5-Minute Vocabulary, where you can learn 7 powerful words in every episode. And we release 2 new episodes every week.
And Karma Documentary, where we explore fascinating real-life stories and surprising moments from well-known celebrities. Don't miss our episode on Keanu Reeves and the beautiful karma of kindness he's known for.
All links are in the description. Give them a listen, and we'd love to hear your feedback.
More simple, natural English lessons coming your way every week. We'll see you next time, and keep talking naturally.